Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. It is the first, but hopefully not the last. It's a custom order, but I'll make more. This is a Beatrice 5. Yeah, that's right. It's a 5-string. And did you notice I said Beatrice? Long story short on that, models change a little bit, and therefore names go with them. As you might recall, in the past, I made my first baritone. I called it the B-E-A. Come to find out, there was a company, small company overseas that already had that name taken, named after the guy that they were endorsing, who was a baritone player. I thought it would be a great name because it's named after a friend of the family's mom, and B-E-A is usually how you tune a baritone. Come to find out, again, that was already taken by a guy who also had that name. So, or it was part of his name, and for the same reason. The Chapman Company thought that would be a good reason to call it the B. Well, after that, I just changed it and started using B and then whatever strings we had going. So whether it was a B6, a B7, and then when I created this more dynamically shaped model, I call it the 0.2. So kind of working off the old the software thing of 2.0 type of stuff. I just call it a 0.2. So this would have been a B5.2. Since creating an actual model, evolution of it and getting CNC going and actually having models laid out and done and jammed into perfection, so to speak, as perfected as we can get them, I decided just to go back to calling it the B, but after the full name of our friend's mom. So it's called the Beatrice. So that's what you'll be seeing now. So these are Beatrice models. I still have, I think this one, it still says, this one says Beatrice too. So this is the Beatrice 12 that should be available here very soon. And that one is a stock. So that one will be, it's not taken yet. And I'll have a demo here very shortly for that one. But today's demo is on this Beatrice 5. And it is exactly what it looks like. It is a 5-string. So all the details are over here in the description. But I thought, I haven't done a loop thing in a while, and certainly haven't played a 5-string. Not a guitar, bass, yeah, but it's very similar. Of course, this is going to be an octave up, and so let's give you a little sound sample, and let's do a loop. And it's early, it's Saturday morning, and I'm kind of feeling 1:15-ish, so not real fast, but that's okay. Okay, so bear with me. I do these things totally unrehearsed. You may have noticed the quick little snap edit right there. That's because what I did the first time was really bad. So we're going to do this again and make it a little less bad. No promises, but we're going to try. And we're just going to take this one. So whatever you get, that's what you get. All right. I'm going to try to do looping without making it so complicated. It's hard for me because I clutter things up. First of all, okay, so let's clear that. I think to simplify it is the key. So here we go. need to practice more. Folks, if you got a guitar, pick it up and play it. Don't neglect it as much as I do. But that's basically the sound. So imagine what it could sound like in the hands of a real guitar player. Justin, she's ready to go, man. Gonna get to you very shortly, and I can't wait to hear what you guys could do with this thing. So thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.